Do you want to unsend a message on Messenger? You can unsend chat messages on Facebook Messenger only for you or from both sides with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to unsend a message on Messenger. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To unsend a message on Facebook Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you are in Messenger, find and open the chat where you sent the message you want to unsend. Now, you are on the chat conversation screen. Locate the message you want to unsend and remove it from both sides. Once you've found it, long press and hold the message. A menu will pop up with various options like copy, pin, and reply. From the pop-up menu, find and tap More. Instead of More, you may see Unsend or Remove directly. A pop-up screen appears. From here, find and tap on Unsend. Once you tap, two options will appear. Select Unsend for you to remove the message only from your chat conversation. To delete the message from both your and the recipient's conversation, tap Unsend for everyone. Once you select the desired option, the message will be removed from your chat conversation. If you choose Unsend for everyone, it will be removed from both your and your friend's chat conversation.